See, Brussels here, the Bonquatano, Munsaba who will be above here, online portals, no so, adomonline.com, myjoyonline.com, and Sama Hodwa, Yatu Yamboas, your Christian good hot, the Bible Bona Persona Mount, Nafi, where Remona, and Sampan will go when you be a kenka. In fact, from sports to foreign, politics, entertainment, BBB, it will be. To adomonline.com and myjoyonline.com, and Wakakenka. But before then, questions Yanswa ye crado. The Bonkrata no, the abano de, Nini Kutano. Quasi,
Ajua,
Quaba,
Mejoso.
Then see a davofro.
At the patch ye. In your Gideon Rishimu, Yankasem, and not quiet, Kuyen Saman Sapine.
There be no wasted efforts.
Pia free a fee. A common tin swing. Ye Codian Saqua ye Juma. Young common sapine da.
There be
see a ye.
Amen.
Be share a boafo.
Amen.
If in your moment to an India tray.
Amen.
Nanya yes, one a better your who quine.
Sir.
Are you a nay, Yawada? Yes, sir. You're quite what's a holiday. And a day na holiday, yeah. I hear why a cake. Yes, I'm a million holiday and caho. Yeah, China Founders Day with apostrophe S. And it's your phone say, Musian most any year.
Yes.
And caneno na apostrophe no baby gina. And an apostrophe na babejina be a babejina neno. A 1 year celebrity.
Okay.
So Founders Day. Yeah, watch now. You are last week Thursday.
Yes, and now watch it.
Now just say you didn't come be about the running mate or ND Samuel.
Yeah, Nipebia no mudia pie.
We say last week me catch us say it's a race nankasa babejina between Ashanti and Eastern.
Yeah.
Because you are near it near say. Na be ni bi wom. But as a penfo fi say be for the assault you.
Okay.
Yes, I can be a meka bruno any halfo ni nyina.
Okay.
Now Central Region the ane so no. Omo fi say assault Central Region for with a minority leader position
in parliament. Okay.
So the 4 main region ya na ewom BA Central Ashanti Eastern no emu mienu de party penfo fi say ya sorti omo now akatu
na BA ho no de no mo de sorti
o say BA regional chairman
okay
Johnson Esiru Nketia
okay
yes Tim fi say ya
ato Central region so central
okay yes aka Ashanti and Eastern in fact these are the 4 main regions and what in the contest
okay
now I said that make Ashanti there but Eastern there so you BB say siwo
sir.
Okay, former chief of staff. Regulus Debra.
Sapa Pepe.
I do regulus Debra Babe race ni muau. Mene maso to form no. Sene papa no aircon. Submarine. Says I am Ashanti the na the last week no. Him. Because party Penfolfi said the few months Julius Debra benya the position as chief of staff no. The magic we hear in the party and in the country, no, huge.
Okay.
And what's a some party in fortunes be kakra, and they believe to be as a coin best a 4-year term kra as he was staff.
So when you kakra,
they believe maybe in 2016 a party in crown go opposition. So the party in Penfobi fee say, if Sir Julius Debra back as running mate, it will be the good of the party and the country.
Okay.
Because of the pursue away. Yes, there was this issue about say yes, so to quite enco America ne ade. But if they are quite when somewhere 1991 be na emso be a passport be a visa be nasa intuition visa be na kofa na no kwan mpanfo chechem say ade a obetimi deal with
32 years ago.
Yes, 32 years ago. Tinye assembly yes. But the be our Julius Debra you are ewura ade mu no. And it's the party for no air work coming and say this is the man they need. Because they also feel say Julius Bar for the party to continue after John Mahama no high.
Yeah, okay.
There's one party nation. And you either say John Mahama benya obia or ni nyina ha be retirement.
Okay.
And also benya obia or je chiramana. This is where the party people feel say Julius Debra comes into the picture.
Okay.
Eti ya ko ya be chire omo a That's
high election headquarters.
Obi oba mu bia, any the ode be bia. Yeah, last week Ashanti region, this week
Eastern region.
Say central be sesa. Yeah, mama. But daily guide wa. Is a sister that pass say a chini panson.
Yes, 2 abeka.
Too much chini panson. And investigators na so tamale.
Yes, so more to crime.
Yes. Attorney General so dey advice aba.
Yes.
Na ene ebeji bre ene enua akable. Ye wo joy news. Ahwe Attorney General advice na odi aba. Because sembi atwetwe aso kakra. Number 1 ye tie fa assembly say assembly see ye no. Honorable Sisira Abena pa kunu se omo chire abayo na obetum ne dem won ko Tesado police station. But Attorney General report ni chire mu say adanse die bie nu e chese abayo na chine ko Tesado police station.
Okay.
So is another ba kunso sa um ye say ni nua ni nyesika ne way.
Onua no ankrofo bi ka say eye ni nua sika.
And be ono aka. Say because ni nua no this kind of free ebusu efie bre sisira pa no. Enso ma testimony. Also twere na asem. On the gigine mo on ampon na this kind of bre no.
Ni sister.
Say ni bi say $800,000. Na wo nua no ye adwuma ben. Okra ne me fra mo no ne. Because most of mo akra ne mata fra mo na betanya amono sika sa boom no. The adwuma pe na no ye.
Kokoto e mpo de na e wudi CDs na ba koto.
Say adwuma be bia asem ba ko asaba be di say. Who so no say abada person no. You see scan nyina $1 million. And also $800,000 ye ni nua ne dia. But see e ka say according to Attorney General $200,000 ye nim ni pay ne dia.
Okay.
And you say what €300,000 means to come. And so you nim ni pa.
Ghana city ni kwa de so man 2D.
Ghana city ni ye
2D.
Ye nim ni pa.
Sa €300,000 so ye ne dia. So now we have $200,000, €300,000.
So
this one we are not to me accounting for that $800,000. We still have 200 and 300.
No, what comes say €300,000 will give you somewhere about $330,000 or $340,000.
Yes.
They are talking about $540,000. You mean baby says can be free. It a 20 January 24. Tim see and there akable be jimbre. Na ye collect ni mu mako baby anti ase nye we nyina be kama ye hu say
Thank you.
This is the brother power. Nana pushes for prioritization of women, children. President Adom Akufo-Addo can say, "Hey, man, penny." Oh, that's what the tax are to pay.
Can promise.
And now pushing mama. You pushing mama saying?
Oh, pushing my.
Mr. President.
Say, man, what can I say? You muyen sandi intime mko.
Mr. President. Oh, pushing the saying. A man in Kwadaya primo wing. A man Kwadane a woman intime mko school. Was part of boyading. So how are you pushing for them?
Na me kwa kurasi na me hu say o baby ho kra no a obu a wo twansuo ansa na wako school na usiesie ohu ye mpo a wodim say wonam nsuo ni mu a ohu han wo na wo di tiro na ahye hoyi na wo fa nsuo mu a sa nane yo sa tete.
Mr. President, say if you are pushing for a madia and a sad way dear say yanka so mo manufacture bi wo Ghana no ene e be ye zero tax credit am mo timi aye ne mo ama
no ne bo na ba fo mo
a so yes ye ntimi nkra bi amfa mfra mo ne so e betimi apekwa me so de ahye mo ye sanitary pad bi wo Ghana say zero tax credit de be mo a mr e kire de
because dem de ko che yi meto adaka bia to 250 cedis ene wo mu 24. You get it. This at least it's tax in never be free so more. No much me to adaka no. Maybe about 200 or 180. Yeah. Na say me na me ko to metima to be 10 cedis.
Sure.
But you go so ka.
Give us use Attorney General Kenneth over DTT platform Daily Guide and the new Crusading Guide Abokata and so any Bank of Ghana set record straight on 2022 published annual report and financial statement. Danger looms at Aduajiri as Achim Ebuakwa state protest against gruesome murder of Odeshe Kwame Sarkodie. The policies too must soar higher under your reign, as Santehine admonishes new chief. Old Ashoma has no chief or die in tow. Family warns public. In fact, Krata Adiba when you say Eba in Semua, New Crusading Guide. President congratulates Mediama SC. Doma East MP allows ECG boards for increasing revenue through digitalization. The new crusade guy, your for the graphic to us on that young call online. IMF bailout. Government meets second release conditions. They will release another $300 million out there. Slave trade repatriations. AU approves Ghana conference. GC Bank at 70. Testament of banking leadership. Bank of Ghana. Daily graphic. That's the way Ebano paying.
You share your online portal on so adomonline.com. Van Veker's heartwarming family photos on his 46th birthday melt hat. Me home picture and busa na yere ne de he and na ba no first because o he abaya no gina na chi no a one na yere won se de hu difference de he na epanyi ni o won tem de eye ultimate to se free ho na why expand the scope
exactly I want them there
na why adwuma hwe wo mo
yes I want them
because akwanya ne ba na ahoboa ne wo ho no mo won tem yes and the me say madoma chade ya wo nti me say 1 year 1 child go for the policy and nti me dey na 1 year 1 child nti we by December dey na mabatu nti next year by now no na sa hina nya na chiri ba I don't know dey just
1 year
1 child
okay
yes award dey say by
policy we 1 district 1 factory enya nas we age na so because the next generation na ye put on the
thank you so 1 year 1 child. No. And away to clamp down on candidates from private schools who have registered to write BC in published way. Papa they make private school I will do from 2. Yeah, you know buying school because you want dream be say a one hour trial benya a placement no a be place you baby.
Say a buying school for no. You will mark be a wunya. Ubetimi enya chance opoku ware ya obi okọ private school nya the same mark
onya sa chance na
so maybe be a calculate hu say ma ho ode ntimi 6 ne 7 ne 8 no ba me hye somewhere be say 12 15 12 15 wa public school betimi de wakọ opoku ware
na so wa swap it
fast na akọ show
nti wa ya kise na ni aba ho nti obehwe
omo list no
okay obehwe na say eja watwitwa sa ade ne so we say I still feel tiny bit of sweetness for Satawale. Well, Michi no. Plus size bride showcases confidence as she twerks on husband as their wedding reception. Okay. MP sends important message to Akufo-Addo over than Boche na Toshi field. Na say no sumun sem ewo adomonline.com. Like and no dodo one entertainment doors ho. 1 2 3 entertainment. Your wayek and your politics and so ewa ha. Nti sa na ye de ma kakra.
Nti say na Toshi ne
Dambuchi.
You will say it as it is.
Thank you.
And if I say medica.
Thank you.
And you will give evidence.
Thank you.
Yemfi no keke.
Enka.
Aduenko.
Ebusuano no nti ye kwedi na we so hunu se agwakansie beba sanso na ho sepe beba na nne asemi dika se de odi kan boso no eja dam ebede se buruburu ewi a the people's forum so ewo ho efa he ne yakwa akogina de ne yehwe nsuo totoyi ye bedi bu nkomo ansa na nkomo ahodo bi ewo ho ma no chewa ba matena se na mediama badwam se ne ye basisia